In this video, we are going to discuss cabbage juice, the incredible benefits and side effects you should know. Cabbage juice has gained quite the reputation as a superfood drink, but is it all it's cracked up to be? Today, we're diving into the benefits, uses, and yes, the potential side effects of cabbage juice. Why cabbage juice? Cabbage is part of the cruciferous family packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and unique compounds that offer multiple health benefits. When juiced, cabbage retains these benefits but in a more concentrated form. It's also incredibly low in calories, making it a perfect option for those looking to get a nutrient boost without a lot of added calories. Low in calories. High in vitamins C and K. Contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Key nutrients in cabbage juice. Cabbage juice is loaded with essential nutrients that benefit your body from the inside out. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant for immune support. Vitamin K, vital for blood clotting and bone health. Sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Glutamine, an amino acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation. Fiber, if pulp is retained, aids in digestion and keeps you full. Vitamin C is one of the top antioxidants, while vitamin K supports bone health and helps prevent excessive bleeding. Plus, compounds like sulforaphane and glutamine make cabbage juice a true health tonic. Health benefits of cabbage juice. So what are the real benefits of drinking cabbage juice? Let's break it down. Gut health and ulcer relief. Cabbage juice has been traditionally used for treating ulcers and supporting gut health. Studies have shown that it may help heal the stomach lining due to its high content of glutamine. A 1949 study published in the journal California Medicine found that patients with peptic ulcers experienced significant improvement after consuming cabbage juice daily. More recent research supports the idea that cabbage compounds may help protect the stomach lining from damage. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cabbage juice contains powerful antioxidants, including sulforaphane and other phytonutrients, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Regular intake may aid in lowering the risk of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and even heart disease. Immune support. Packed with vitamin C, cabbage juice is a great immune booster. Regular intake can help keep colds and flu at bay, and some studies suggest it may have additional benefits for skin health. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Cabbage contains compounds known as glucosinolates, which have been studied for their potential to reduce cancer risk. Sulforaphane, specifically, has been linked to slowing the growth of cancer cells. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention discussed how cruciferous vegetables like cabbage contain compounds that may have anti-cancer effects, though more research is needed for definitive claims. Weight loss and detoxification. Since cabbage juice is low in calories and high in water, it's a good option for weight loss and detox. Some people use cabbage juice as part of detox diets to cleanse their digestive system and support liver health. How to make cabbage juice and recommended dosage. Wondering how to make cabbage juice at home? Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients. 1 small head of cabbage, green or red, 1 to 2 cups of water. Optional. Add apple or lemon for taste. Instructions. Cut the cabbage into small pieces, blend with water, and strain if desired. For best results, drink fresh juice immediately, as nutrients degrade over time. Start with a small amount, around half a cup a day, to see how your body reacts. If you handle it well, you can gradually increase to a full cup. Side effects and precautions. While cabbage juice is incredibly healthy, it's important to know the potential side effects. Number 1. Digestive upset. Cabbage juice is high in fiber and sulfur compounds, which can lead to gas, bloating, and even stomach cramps for some people, especially if consumed in large amounts. Number 2. Thyroid concerns. Cabbage, like other cruciferous vegetables, contains goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid function in people with hypothyroidism. If you have a thyroid condition, consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of cabbage juice. Number 3. Drug interactions. Cabbage juice is high in vitamin K, which may interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're on such medication, talk to your healthcare provider before adding cabbage juice to your routine. Number 4. Allergic reactions. In rare cases, some people may be allergic to cabbage or other cruciferous vegetables. Watch out for signs of an allergic reaction like itching or swelling. Final thoughts. So, is cabbage juice worth trying? For most people, it can be a highly beneficial addition to a balanced diet, offering a range of health benefits from better gut health to immune support. Just remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to listen to your body's response. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy and enjoy your juice journey. Subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and nutrition insights. See you in the next video.